Hi Taya, how you doing? I've got your work up here, and let's go over. And I was reading through your writing, and thank you very much for giving this nice, wonderful summary of your experience with the assignment thus far. I got to tell you, I was looking at your ad, and I got to tell you, there's some problems. There's a lot of issues with the ad. My recommendation at this point is this: is based on what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and say that it doesn't look like you've been keeping up with the course announcements. So if we jump over to the course announcements, and I want to do this because it's really important to you, but I'm going to just go to my course menu. I'm going to go to the course announcements. I'm going to open announcements in a new window, and I want you to see that there's just the announcements are just loaded with tutorials and video tutorials and everything you need to complete every assignment in this class is in the weekly tutorials. Okay, so for example, the magazine ad, that's week 4, right? That's okay. So, oh, I'm sorry, that was week 3, the magazine ad. So let's go back to week 3. And here, see this right here. This is how to complete milestone 1. And then over in welcome to module 3, there's all sorts of things in here. Really, just everything you need to complete the assignment successfully is in here. And then we also have this how to complete milestone 1. And again, everything in here is right here showing you exactly how to complete. And there's even this video right here that shows you step by step exactly how to complete this assignment. So let's go back to your work, and I also want to take a look at the announcements page. This announcement specifically, this is way back in examples of the magazine. This is back in week 1. And I've got examples of really outstanding compositions for the magazine ad. Basically, what we're looking for is a realm of simplicity that promotes good, solid communication. And I think that the wonderful thing here is that each of these kind of features the same format. So we have headline, subhead, paragraph of body copy, background image, and then the masked image. And my dogs, I don't know if you heard my dogs, there was somebody in the driveway and they went crazy. So I apologize for that. And anyway, I think I was talking about the composition. One main background image, masked image, headline, subhead, body copy, contact information, logo. We see that working over and over again. And I highly recommend you stick with that formula. Okay, also in the style guide, there are required typefaces, okay? So we need to required typefaces. There's also contact information that you need to use. There's also a logo that you need to use. And also we need that masked image from assignment 2-1. So that's it. Another thing, this background image is really damaged. See those little squares and all that, the blurriness and all that, these little marks right here? Those are all indicative of compression artifact as well as pixelization, indicating that that's a low quality image. My recommendation is to find an image that is crisp and clear even as you zoom in. And that is covered in this announcement right here. Right here. Can I change the 72 image to 300 ppi? Also pixelization and compression artifacts. So that shows you what to look for and what to avoid in your images. So in summary, we want to go ahead my recommendation is to just start back in week 1 and start looking at the video tutorials and the course announcements. You won't believe how easy this assignment is if you once you start following those. And as I said, everything is covered. I mean, everything, step by step, exactly how to complete every assignment in this class located in the course announcements. Okay, those are my recommendations. If you have any questions or if I can provide any further clarification, please let me know and I'll be glad to do so. But we definitely have to change our approach here. Okay, again, any questions? And listen, I do not mean to sound, I don't mean to sound like I'm digging on your work. I'm not. Actually, I think what you have here, the way it's set up so far, is a great start. But you're just gonna be blown away how easy everything is going to be when you start looking at those videos. So of course, please let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you.